This video is to document the issues I'm having with the KBDfans key set I bought recently. The Alt key is very loose, as you can see. There's nothing wrong with the key. There's no damage to the key. It looks fine, but if I put it on the keyboard and try to use it, it pops right off. It is very, very loose. If I put it on the keyboard, pick up the keyboard, it usually falls right off. Not this time. There, you can see it beginning to fall off already. The rest of them are fine, except for also one of the arrow keys, which does similar stuff. Once again, yeah, just if you push it down and then slide your finger off, it just falls off. The other keys don't do this. And then Alt does. Yeah, there we go. Nope. Looks like Jay is having a little trouble too. These are Gateron Silent Reds, by the way. So yeah, it looks like a few of them may be having trouble. It is the key and not the post. If we take the menu key off, you can see that was really on there. Pull that all the way off. We take this Alt key, put it on here. It's the key, not the switch. And conversely, if we put the menu key over on this post, it is once again secure. So this key and this key, you can see it just slid right off there. Again, no damage to the keycap. It's not cracked, hasn't been misused. And then J is maybe only a little loose, but again, no damage to it. So I would, yeah, there we go. So again, this post holds the menu key perfectly, but it doesn't hold this J key at all. Just for the sake of it, let's try another one. Again, this key is really on there, this blank. But if I put the J key on there, it doesn't hold. If I put the Alt key on there, it doesn't hold. If I put this right arrow, it doesn't hold. But if I take this blank, I put it back, the other keys see fine. So I'd appreciate it if you would please replace these caps. Thank you.